Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Tell them say you have some hits on the way, man.
Yo!
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So it look like Koffee have some new music forward, right? Cause that's our producer, the one that produced Toast. Izzy, are you kidding me? Izzy Beats, right? And you know, he's a Grammy producer because Koffee won the Grammy. So everybody will work on every song with the on that project who got the Grammy is a Grammy achiever. If me can say that still. You don't understand what I try to say. But people, me see a thing I grow on it say like Koffee I get a deal with Jordan or have a deal with Jordan to be an ambassador for, you know, I talk about Jordan shoes, right? The sneakers. So I don't know the full details on that, but I just say it now. I talk about Koffee, right? So once the detail is available, we'll do something on that and we'll tell you now what go on and how it go. I want to know Koffee already got a lot of things going for her, right? We see her in the Malta commercial. We know say she's an ambassador for MasterCard as well. We know say her music in a FIFA 21, and these are just some of the things that, you know what I mean, are going for her. Like a lot of things are going for her other than these, but these are just a couple of a few. But people more want for ask, you know, want to think because this is the producer of Toast. I want to know the record Toast was a big record, so I want to think they can recreate it again. I want to think Koffee still have steam. Koffee steam, no pun intended. But I want to think say the producer and Koffee can work to give us something of that caliber again, something that is Grammy worthy. Because you know already see what going on with the Grammy this year as far as reggae and dancehall go, right? A lot of complaining and a lot of people are say, you know, they kind of left out dancehall out of the thing. So when you get in the comment section, tell me what you think about it, right? Tell me if you think Koffee are going to come with some more mega hits and Izzy I got help her. Alright, so let's talk about our next story. Let's talk about Yanique. About 2 days ago I made a video with Yanique and I was telling you that somebody exposed themselves to Yanique on live, right? I'm showing a reaction. I'm going to show now again just in case you never saw it or for the people who want to see it again, because this is kind of a touchy topic. It's serious, but at the same time everybody does a laugh off a Yanique reaction. That's most what I'm seeing in the comment section. Everybody has say, oh my god, Yanique reaction is priceless, right? So before me tell you what she said, we're gonna watch the video again. Here goes our reaction. Here goes, look.
What's in my cup? This is actually I blend up some juice. Yeah, so I blend up, it's strawberry. What was it? Strawberry mango and strawberry mango and rum. It was strawberry. What is? Jesus Christ! Stop it! Oh yeah! Aye! We with the X. Aye! 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 It now come up! Stop it! Oh, for cooking up on it! Get it out! The phone freeze! What the hell? It freeze! What? It freeze! It can't come off! Oh, what's up? It freeze! No, what do you mean by make it see? And it freeze!
So to my surprise, Yanique post this back on her page, right? And she caption it and say, yeah man, me love chat and nah pay attention. The whole time the man a back him and she put the fist emoji. So I want to put it together, right? Not to mention internet decide for freeze up right pan there. And she put some emoji, you can see them on the screen, right? Swear me never have a calm and decent life yet. Hashtag take for myself. Hashtag shame. So I guess Yanique says she shame, but Yanique, you know, no reason for shame. You know what I mean? You never do nothing and it's your fault. So you know, for shame still. It happen to other people. You just never know, and I guess you never see it when it happen to other people as well. But me personally see it happen to a number of people, and even if you look on the video them on the platform them, you know what I mean, not my page alone but other people's page, you can see people say it actually happened to them. You know what I mean? A lot of women comment and say them think they always coming at them inbox and even upon live like Yanique. You see me? So it happened more often than one would expect, but that still does not make it right. In a Yanique case now, you know, everybody does a laugh off a Yanique reaction because she really catch off guard people. May I tell her she attack while it happen like on the year she say, and she never see it. So when time she see it, she does shock, you know what I mean, and she get up and cut. Like, you know what I mean? Now me I laugh because she basically a laugh, everybody else a laugh, but at first I could not laugh, you see me? So people to get into the comment section, tell me what you think about this. Let's move on to our next story. Let's talk about Jada Kingdom. Yeah, people, so we haven't seen a lot from Jada, you know what I mean, social media wise. Like, she just do her like a regular posting and post her product, which seems to be going on very well. She just had a Black Friday sale, so all our fans them will go over there and shop at Jador Castell. Hope me I pronounce that good, right? And get on a swimwear and things from her, you know what I mean, big up on herself. I love to see young people progressive and I do them thing, right? So I just more blessings to Jada. So it looked like she back in Atlanta, you know what I mean, with her boyfriend, and on Thanksgiving she did do a little cooking too. You know, look like a big cooking she put on, but she actually did some cooking and some baking. So I have a very short clip of that. I'm going to show you in a second, because I know the artists them can cook, you know, Mrs. People I say, you know what I mean, Spice never cook the food, but people, I don't know why it's so hard to believe still. If you look on her Instagram story, I actually see when time she season up the meat and everything. But you know what, let's get to Jada video, because that's another story for another day.
I'm so done with you. So, what are you looking for?
I'm pretty young down there doing that.
Yeah, so I like that. You see me, I say it look like a little nice personal dinner just for her and Verse. And you did see she put on the video and say Verse requested her famous banana bread. So I guess Jada have a good banana bread recipe. You see me, I say so. Big up Jada and big up our banana bread recipe and big up Verse. You see me? So in closing, I just want to say again, the artists them can cook, especially Shensia. Me can vouch for Shensia from when me see upon her stories, upon her posting, you know what I mean? Me never taste her cooking, that is a different story, but me I talk about as far as look like something we actually cook, because you can clearly tell when something no cook good, you know what I mean, visually. Remember them say people eat with them eyes first, you know. You see me? So as some most people eat, if it no look good, me no want it. So from when me say Shensia do, Shensia can cook and Shensia can bake, and these are years of posting bake and cooking, you know what I mean? So me can vouch for Shensia, and now we see Jada and we see Spice, right? But people, that's the end of today's video. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribed, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Now everybody, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. You know what I mean? Stay safe out there and do the right thing. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.